Hello everybody, Charlie Cummins again here. Today I'm going to give you just a little brief deal about how to hold a trowel, what to do. This is going to protect your wrist, your elbow, shoulder, neck, back. There's a lot of broke down bricklayers, okay? And one of the reasons is I'm fixing to show you why that happens. When you're laying block, you got to turn your trowel up like this and roll it down, okay? Now, what you want to do is keep your hands like you're shaking hands with somebody. Okay? You don't want to be doing this. Alright? Now, a lot of block layers, if you watch them, they don't roll it upside down like that. They go like this. Follow me? See how hard that is? Alright? You don't turn it upside down, they go like this. Alright? Whereas, see how much smoother this is? When you turn it up, go down. Turn it up, go down. I'm not doing this. Alright? The reason being, for several reasons. If you do this, you're wearing out your body. Okay? But in the meantime, you're going to do this about 2,000 times in one day. Now while you're standing there doing that 2,000 times in one day, I'm going to lay a whole bunch of block. Okay? It's just that simple. You won't block in the wall. I'd rather have block in the wall than have a bunch of bricklayers up here that look like a bunch of birds trying to fly off a scaffold. Alright? The next thing I want to point out is, for heaven's sake, put a crutch tip on the end of your trowel. They're not expensive. Go to any hardware store, get a crutch tip and put on it. Now the reason you do that is, listen to this. Now listen to this. Who wants to listen to that all day? Ding, ding, ding. That's probably why I have to wear hearing aids now, because there's too many people going ding, 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 you know. Put a crutch tip on there. Save your ears. Well folks, we are Phoenix Masonry Training, Inc. in Phoenix, Arizona. We teach men and women how to lay brick, block, and stone. If you take our Master Mason course, which is what we highly recommend, when you finish, it'll take you 6 to 10 weeks only if you've never had a trowel in your hand. It takes between 250 and 300 hours. When you finish our training, you're going to be able to lay 150 brick, 1 hour. You're going to be able to lay 50 block, 1 hour. You're going to be able to build all your corners out of brick and block. The final drill is you build a 2-foot square brick chimney or pier. You're going to lay 100 modular brick, 2 hours. You're going to lay that same size pier out of 8-inch block. You're going to lay 24 block in 1 hour. Okay? When you can do that, you can go anywhere in the world, you're going to get top dollar. This country is full of brick and block layers. Bricklayers can't lay block, block layers can't lay brick, etc. I had a guy from Kentucky call me last Saturday. He 43 years old. He'd been trying to learn to lay brick. His uncles wouldn't teach him, so he lucked out and married a lady who was a traveling nurse. He's in California now. He's a 43-year-old, 1 year, first year union apprentice. They've raised the age. It used to be 25, but now they let him in the union. And he told me there's nothing but block layers over there. They got 700 masons and helpers working in the San Diego area. Hardly any of them can lay brick. There's block, nothing but block in California, same as Arizona, Nevada, Alaska, and Florida, block layers. We teach you how to lay block and brick. You take Dallas, Fort Worth, all the Midwest and everything else, New York, Boston, it's full of block layers. I beg your pardon, it's full of brick layers that cannot or will not lay block. Alright? It's just the nature of the beast. And of course most stone masons can't lay brick or block. And we also teach stone in this course. That's about it, folks. So remember this first. I mean, if you just put a deal, everybody's gonna love you if you just that sounds a whole lot better. So if you don't get nothing else out of this, put a crutch tip on your trowel. Thank you. Have a great day. Come see us.